How to block screenshots on WhatsApp on Android. To do this, open WhatsApp. After, open a conversation you would like to send a picture. On the chat page, tap on the camera icon so you can take a picture to send or select it from your gallery. I chose a drawing I made in homage to the racing driver Ayrton Senna. Before you send the image, notice the one icon beside Add Caption. Tap on this one icon. After tapping on it, notice that this icon changed a little because now it is turned on. Now you can add a caption to this image or just tap on the send button. With this option turned on, someone who received this image will be able to see it only once, and the screenshot action will be blocked. For this picture, touch the subscribe button for more WhatsApp tutorials.